guys, so today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am actually going to be making a t-shirt, and I'm going to have something like this on it. This is Iron on HTV. I am going to be going to Disneyland, and this shirt that I will be making is actually going to be a matching set with some ears that I will be wearing while I'm running around Disneyland like a crazy person, because that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. Yeah, so this is just a little bit different. It's kind of like a DIY, well, it's definitely a DIY video, but it's something I've been doing for the last kind of like 6 months, and if you are on my Instagram, you have seen probably a few shirts already and trying to figure out what the heck I've been doing. So I have been making t-shirts and just things like makeup bags, and so using a Cricut machine, I cut out the vinyl and I put it on a shirt like this one. And so if you guys want to see a little bit more of what have been doing with it, and I do have an Instagram completely dedicated to it, and see if you would like to see those. If not, then it's cool. And if you aren't really into DIY videos, leave me a comment in the comments below and I will switch over and not do as many DIY videos on my channel. I figured it would just be something fun and new because I am making them anyway. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining us. And if you are not new, welcome back and thank you again for joining us. So if you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. If you guys like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comments below of what kind of stuff you want to see me do. I have thought about doing like a weeding video. To save time, this video won't have as much of it, but I do have some really intricate designs that I've actually have already kind of thought of doing, and I just haven't filmed it or I haven't actually cut it out and weeded it. But yeah, if you guys want to see any of that, leave me a comment in the comments below and I can do that for you as well. If you want to see me doing a Minnie Mouse shirt, then just keep watching.